Hey, I'm Ivy with WTI, and today I wanted to talk about this Galaxy SE Lite tablet case. This case's design is super sleek and it's very minimalistic, which is something that I enjoy. I absolutely love the pastel color. It's super cute and it has this shiny finish that's not too bright, which is something that I appreciate because it doesn't draw that much attention. The case is super easy to install. All you have to do is grab your tablet, slide it right into the case, but make sure that all four corners are secure. To do this, all you have to do is press down on each corner until you hear the case make a click. I also really love that this design comes with the trifold, so I'm able to prop up my tablet whenever I please, and it makes it so much more comfortable to use. And then I love that it has a little holder for the stylus pen as well, so I never lose it. Now whenever I want to use my tablet, all I have to do is prop it up. I can easily grab my stylus from its holder, so it's much easier to scroll, do my online shopping. Now I no longer have to worry if my tablet's going to tilt over or fall face flat. Thanks to this case, it holds up all on its own and it's secure. I would honestly give this Galaxy tablet case a 10 out of 10, but that's just my point of view.